Hi guys, we're going to test out the Yasola GPS brushless motor camera drone. It's a 3-axis gimbal. It should have smooth quality images and video. There's the remote control. We've got 13 satellites locked in. Hopefully you can see that. Let's get it up in the air and see how it does. Thanks for watching, guys. Up and no problem. I'm gonna do, let's see, a couple snapshots. There we go. Now we're gonna start the video. Video started. Here we go. Holding its own real well. Bit breezy today. Look at it go. Wow, that's a good flyer. Hope you can see it up there. Alright, we're going to get right into return to homes. Test that out. Take it out there a little ways. Good. Oh, look. Got lost in the cloud there. Return to home. You hit the return to home button right there. There it comes. Doing that all on its own. It turns around and comes at you and forward, and then turns around to land. Pretty cool. A little off the pad there, but not bad. Just hit the return to home to stop it. You don't have to land in the leaves like I've got to deal with today. Let's get her back up there and try it again. Whoa, birds. Go a different direction. Go out in the field a little ways. We're out to the right of it, over the cornfield, or what used to be a cornfield. Sitting there nice and pretty. Let's do a return to home. Here it comes. Cool. I like it. Turn to home number 2. I'm going to go ahead and stop it again. Close enough. Oh, what a cool drone. That's nice. Hi guys. Alright, let's go out for number 3, return to home. Drone footage will be placed on the video somewhere. Toward the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's number 3, return to home. There it comes. Nice. Doing a great job so far, guys, I think. For a $200 budget drone. Hard to beat. Alright, I'm going to stop it again so I don't land in the leaves and go for another one. Get number 4 in there before we run out of juice. Go back out in the field a little ways. Okay, that looks good. Man, what beautiful video footage it looks like it's getting. Okay, return to home number 4. Well, bunch of birds coming through. There it comes. Coming home. Nice. Excuse me. Hopefully you can see all this. Very cool. Definitely coming back to me for sure. Return to home works. Alright, I'm going to stop it. Now I'm in control again. Let's get a closer look. Look at that thing. It's hovering there. Wow. Very neat. I like it. It's a cool looking drone. With the green lights in the front, red lights in the back. Help you keep your orientation when it gets a little darker out. Alright, let's land it. Very successful drone here. I like it a lot. Alright. Made it back in one piece. How about that? Well guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.